Hi guys, this is Avocado Muzimba, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some walnut milk. Before I begin, I just want to say if you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can see when I make my new videos. So let's get right to it. First, what you need is 1 cup of walnuts, of course. So I have my blender here. Just gonna put the almonds in it, the walnut in it. Before you put them in, make sure that you wash and rinse them and then strain them. Then you're gonna need 3.5 cups of water. I have my fancy little filter here, so I'm gonna use it. 1, 2, 3. And now for the 1/2 cup. 1, 2. So here we go. We're just gonna put the blender on. We'll see how it goes. So after 3 minutes or so, or when you think that it's thick enough, then you're gonna take your strainer and a large bowl or a container, and then you pour the mixture into it. As you can see, most of it went right through it, so there's a lot. So 1 batch should be enough. If you also want the straining process to go faster, you could just take a spoon and just stir. This method is also good for when you're baking and you want to sift flour. It makes it go down much more faster. I'm also sure that you can use the byproduct like this pulp for baking purposes. So you just keep on doing this until you can see that there's little to no moisture coming from it, and it's about a little bit dry. It's getting drier. You can see there's less frequent drops coming in the bottom. So let's just put this away. Now, as you can see, we have a bowl of milk. Also, if you want to sweeten up your walnut milk, you could put some syrup like blue agave or honey or some other type of syrup. As you can see, I've now put my walnut milk in a cup of glass, or you can use it for tea, but what I was originally planning to do was use it for my cereal. Looks yummy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe. I'll be posting more cooking videos soon, so if you subscribe, you'll be sure to find some more cooking videos. And for my returning subscribers, some people have been requesting that I make tornado twisters, so I'll be posting that soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.